Discover MH Fine Hardware in Jupiter, Florida. Your one-stop destination for all things kitchen, bath, faucets, showers, sinks, bathtubs, toilets, and lighting and controls. Elevate your kitchen to the next level with MH Fine Hardware. From sleek faucets to stylish sinks, we've got your culinary space covered. Experience bathroom bliss at MH Fine Hardware. Explore our stunning collection of faucets, showers, and bathtubs for the ultimate relaxation. Choose from a wide range of elegant sinks at MH Fine Hardware. Find the perfect fit for your kitchen or bathroom. Indulge in luxury with our exquisite bathtubs. MH Fine Hardware offers a selection that will transform your bath time into a spa-like experience. Upgrade your bathroom essentials with our premium toilets. Comfort, style, and efficiency, we've got it all. Set the mood with our exceptional lighting and controls. Illuminate your space and take control of your ambiance. Experience excellence in every detail. MH Fine Hardware is your destination for quality kitchen and bath solutions. Visit us today in Jupiter, Florida, and let MH Fine Hardware turn your kitchen and bath dreams into reality. Connect with us on social media for the latest trends and updates in kitchen, bath, faucets, showers, sinks, bathtubs, toilets, and lighting and controls.